Do you have a phenomenal product that you've designed, tested, proven, yet you're unable to get in a large number of people to buy into it? If yes, then you must be missing on the 6th step you should be taking if you're ready to start your coaching business profitably. Are you ready to learn this step? Come with me, let me show you. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Temi Ajibewa, coach of coaches. I help thought leaders to launch a highly profitable coaching business in 90 days or less. In this video, this is the 6th video in this 6-part series on how to start your coaching business in 6 easy steps. So I asked earlier, do you have a fantastic product yet you're not getting as much traction as you should get on it? I promise you it's because you are yet to learn how to launch properly. Yes, so the 6th step here is for you to launch like a pro. What does it mean to launch? Basically, it is when you put together step-by-step process in the right order what you need to do to bring your products, to bring your offer out to the public. And here you make a public announcement of what you've got to sell. So previously, I recommend that you work with a number of people, you know, as your lab rats or your beta clients. That is, at this step, yes, I ask you to validate your coaching process by working with a number of clients who you can test your process on them, you know, get feedback and use that same feedback to refine your process. So when you now have those ones and you now have a refined product, what you want to do is to do a proper launch. And there's a series of activities that may even overwhelm you when it comes to launching, starting with what dates should you start? Should you begin your launch? What resource should you use? What lead magnet? What posts do you put out there? And your lead magnet is likely to be a freebie. And I would tell you here my own recommendation. So I usually recommend that my clients use a free webinar to do their launches. So host a webinar. Of course, that it's not as easy as it just sounded, okay? Hosting a webinar has lots of moving parts, starting with your flyer. On your flyer, what text should you have there? What color should it be? What pictures should you have there? All the way to your landing page. That is the page where they will register for the webinar. So I'm talking the copies that will be on your opt-in page or your webinar registration page. What would you teach in the webinar? What scripts would you have? Your slides. Where would you do your slides? Is it on Canva, on PowerPoint? All of this make up your webinar. Even the date and the time of your webinar also matters. Now, on the webinar dates, what are the things you need to have in place? Okay, from the lighting to the video quality to your internet. And if you live in my part of the world where internet or power supply is epileptic, you need to have like 3, 4, 5 options in case one falls down, the other one can step in, right? So you want to launch with a webinar, and then in the webinar you make an invitation. You ask people who are interested in working with you. Mind you, in the webinar you'd have run them through your coaching process, aka your signature coaching framework, where you'd have offered them that this is the thing I will help you with in the next couple of weeks or months, as the case may be. And then you will invite them to book a free call with you, a free discovery call with you. On the call, you will close them. So yes, I have a video tutorial on how to hold high converting sales call, and I will put the link below this video. So You ask those who are interested to book a call with you, and then you can now have a sales conversation with them over the phone or on a Zoom call, and then you will close them to become your clients, or you will close them as your clients. All right. So launching here, you have to expose your offer to at least 100 people. So you want to get in the numbers when it comes to your webinar, your free webinar. Now, statistics has it, industry rate of attendance is 30%. So if you're looking for 100 people attend your webinar, you need to have at least 300 people registered for your webinar. And then out of the 100, just about maybe 20 or even 10 may end up booking a call with you. And out of the 10, if you're really good, okay, you can close half of them or 3 of them. And that's where you can have, so the more the people you want in your program, the more the people you need to attend your free webinar. Now, that is just one way to launch. You can launch with a book. Do a free ebook, a free download, and on the page, as you deliver the book to them, also invite them to have a sales conversation with you. And you can also launch with a workshop. You can run a live event, and right at the live event, you can invite them to also have a call with you for both of you to decide if you're a good fit for each other. All right, there's several ways to launch. You can even launch with an evergreen masterclass, which means it is not live. It's not a live webinar, but you have recorded the video already, and then you push people to the video at once, and they take action to become your coaching clients. And that way you're able to get 5, 10, 20 people paying you, say, minimum, $500 as a new coach, or let's say worst case scenario, $200 as a new coach. And with 5 clients, you've done $1,000, right, as a new coach. And the good thing is you can keep launching and relaunching. Currently, I launch every 2 months, but as time goes on, I'll reduce my launches to about 3 times in a year, or maybe just twice in a year, right? I build momentum and then launch very infrequently so I can have time for other things in my business. With this point, I hope you've learned clearly how to launch your coaching business. Now, I have a fuller tutorial on how to build a highly successful coaching business from scratch. It's available at www.attracttoconvert.com. And if you'd like to have a session with me, there is a link below this video that will take you straight to book a VIP strategy call with me, where I'll sit with you for 30 minutes on a Zoom call, and we'll both define your path. I'll help you gain clarity and strategies for you to take for your next level. I hope you've gotten value from this video tutorial and this series as a whole. If yes, leave me a comment. Share with me your aha moment. Share with me your breakthrough moment. Share with me the steps you will take going forward to move you closer to launching your coaching business. Always note that it is not about what you know. It's about what you do with what you know that really, really matters. Do like this video, share with your friends, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on notification. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. For today, bye for now.